Charles River Laboratories just announced a cool partnership with Adjuva Bio to kick off their first Advanced Therapy Incubator Program. Exciting times ahead. We view this as a pivotal moment for Charles River as it looks to evolve beyond traditional preclinical animal testing. Notably, the FDA's recent decision to phase out mandatory animal research for IND submissions by April 2025 has created both challenges and opportunities for the CRO sector. In this context, Charles River is making a bold move to position itself as a premier enabler of advanced biologics and cell therapies. This strategic pivot is evident in the launch of the Advanced Therapy Incubator Program, with Adjuva Bio as the inaugural participant. Under the terms of the agreement, Adjuva will leverage Charles River's discovery to-end infrastructure, including CMC and regulatory support, as they advance their cell therapy programs targeting fibrosis and endometriosis. Additionally, the companies will collaborate on developing scalable biomanufacturing solutions for Adjuva's clinical programs with the goal of commercial supply. Importantly, this partnership will also provide Charles River with exposure to emerging therapies and potential future revenue streams through service agreements, licensing, or equity stakes. In our view, this announcement marks a significant step forward for Charles River and its efforts to reduce regulatory risk exposure and enhance long-term commercial resilience. Upon this news, CRL shares rose 6.7% over to trading sessions, reversing part of April's 18% stock decline. Multiple analysts chimed in with revised 2025 outlook, raising estimates on improving sentiment around the company's diversification efforts and proactive approach to industry headwinds. Looking ahead to 2025, we are forecasting revenue of $4.1 billion, representing a 2.8% increase year over year. On a GAAP basis, we expect earnings per share to decline by 7.6% to $8.50, primarily driven by investments in new growth areas. However, adjusted EPS is anticipated to remain relatively flat at $9.75 as the company focuses on margin stabilization in the second half of the year. With that said, let's discuss some key strengths, risks, and opportunities that Charles River faces. Starting with strengths, we highlight the company's early mover advantage in post-animal testing CRO services, deep infrastructure to support biotech innovation from discovery to IND, and rising relevance in high-growth sectors like cell and gene therapy as well as regenerative medicine. On the risk front, we note that transitional margin compression is likely given the evolving business model and execution risk tied to early-stage biotech partners like Adjuva. Turning to opportunities, we believe that the scalable incubator model can become a recurring innovation and revenue engine for Charles River in the years to come. Furthermore, the company could expand its venture-backed co-development efforts, including potential equity-sharing models, further enhancing its exposure to next-generation therapeutics. Lastly, by assuming a leadership position in non-animal research, Charles River is poised to benefit from enhanced ESG and improved public perception. In conclusion, Charles River Laboratories' strategic partnership with Adjuva Bio and the launch of the Advanced Therapy Incubator represent a timely and material shift in the company's operating model. This initiative not only mitigates regulatory headwinds tied to animal testing, but also opens new commercial pathways in the rapidly expanding field of cell therapy. Backed by a clear uptick in market sentiment and a favorable short-term financial trajectory, this initiative sets the stage for sustained relevance and investor value creation. And if you're interested in gaining deeper insights into our investment process, we would love to have you join our community. Thank you for watching and see you soon.